Hey guys, welcome back to Let's Flawless here. So, right now, I got the package from BTR Plumbing, KDMC Plumbing. So, it's a 3D printed toilet, 4-inch, and it's an Ingenium toilet. And it's not an Ingenium bowl, it actually has an Ingenium. It's a Ingenium with a tank and a bowl. It cost a little bit of money, but I'm ready to unbox it. I already got the scissors. So, let's see how it turns out. And also, my mom actually opened it up, and she took the bubble wrap out and actually wrapped it with other wrap, so to make my birthday a little bit more better. So that's why it's taped like that. So it's untaping. So it's hard. Wait a second. You're good. Oh, I guess I didn't even need the scissors. Okay. So here it is. The first thing I see is maybe it can be a lid. It's hard. So much crap. And yes, she did put sprinkles. Ooh. It's an Ingenium lid. It looks very realistic. Got a little stain. But I hit my camera. But it's worth it. It doesn't. If there's a little bit of color on it, it doesn't matter because it's still in perfect condition. And now we have. I think this is. Yes, I think this is the tank. Okay, so. Inside of wow, there's a splash right there. It's okay. Wow, that is very realistic. It's fine if there is some maybe paint, I don't know, dye, I don't know, but it fits really good, and you can see the little square hole right there for a handle. And I may make a handle for it, and then in maybe the third video, because I'm going to do a test on it. It even has the hole, and the lid can come on perfectly. So there's my tank, and I already know that it's the Ingenium bowl because it's the last thing, and I don't see any Ingenium bowl, and it's still wrapped. So I'm gonna now unbox this. Wow, I never thought it would be looking this good. So here's the inside. You can see in there. Even the holes for the seat. Has a siphon jet right there, and here. Oh yeah, I'm just standing behind the table, and it's pitch black out there. So it's really cool. Actually, you gotta look in his video that he made an Ingenium video, like how it flushes, doesn't do any tests, but it's a really cool video. And he even shows how there's ridges, and there they are. Here's the trapway, and it's honestly really realistic. I just even has that hole. It has that. The underside, basic. I don't need the underside, but whoa, that's cool. But let's put on the tank. Let's see how it looks like. It isn't perfect. It isn't perfect because there's a pillow. Oh my gosh. Well, there's the tank. Let me just put on the lid. If I like make a mini bathroom, like that's like a sink, and I put the soil in, it'll look very realistic, but I'm not gonna do that. Sorry guys, because it's gonna take too much time, and I'm probably not gonna do that because I'm lazy. It has even that whole, well, I'm not that lazy, I still make videos. Nothing else on the box, but I don't know why I just bring those scissors. But here's the Ingenium bowl and the tank and the lid, and I'm gonna be doing test on the next video, and I hope, and maybe I'll do a dye test, but it may stick onto the bowl, and like, cause it may do, but it may stick onto the bowl, and that may be very bad. That may be very bad, and so maybe this is gonna be the end of the video. Maybe I'm gonna show you something else. Maybe the back side. And also, yes, this is my birthday. I got this for my birthday. It maybe cost $80 for shipping, and it also costs $20 for shipping. So if you want to buy this for maybe like 4-inch, and it's gonna cost $80, and for shipping, I think it'll cost $20. Wherever you are, it's gonna cost maybe lower or higher price. I don't know, but you can even see how there's working jets. And yes, I'm gonna put a link in the description for his website, BTR's and KDM's Plumbing. They have a website where they sell mini toilets to about 5-inch to 2-inch, and they cost money, and there's lots of toilets like that, and you can buy them. It may take a long time, but it came right on my birthday on November 1st, and I'm really happy with this. And I'm gonna link their channel in the description, their channels, and you don't have to go in the description and like click on it. If you like typing, you can just type their names, BTR and Space Plumbing and KDMC Plumbing, and just like that. And it can flush. I don't know, but he says they're fully functioning, so yes, maybe it is.